Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is the gorgeous A2D at the 1010 Waugh. Gorgeous, gorgeous one bedroom. This happens to have a study as well, but let me show off just a little bit of this pretty apartment to you. It's got some fantastic views. You can see there's the downtown Houston there in the background. It's a really, really pretty view there. You've got a huge space here. This is a very large space to put a lot of furniture. You could put an extra table here and seat maybe 4 or 6 people easily. So you can have, 10 people here. You've got a nice built-in bar area. That's super cool. This is a beautiful kitchen. It's very substantial feeling. There is gas over there. And then that's the study over there too. The study is just greatness. I did want to point out also, this has a very gorgeous bedroom, plenty of space, but then the bathroom too is a dual sink, very attractive bathroom with a walk-in shower. This is a beautiful one bedroom with a study. It would be in the perfect location here in Houston. What I want you to do is send me a text and just say, hey Grant, I love what I'm seeing here. I'd like to get some more information about it. I'll set up a virtual tour on your iPhone. It could be of this building, and heck, we can even add some additional buildings and make it a multi-apartment day tour. And that way you could see 3 or 4 apartments all on the same day, all on your phone. Send me that text below, request that, just say hi. I'd be happy to help you with that. My number is below.